How you doing, guys, today? Look at this beautiful place. We found out this place while we were on the way to the airport. It's just opposite to the Trivandrum airport. A lot of boats, a lot of people. So these people are just returning after fishing all night, I think. And there are plenty of others who are waiting for their turn, getting ready to go. Some people, I saw them, they were doing some prayers before launching their boats into the vastness of the sea, particularly this group. They have these giant nets which they'll go cast it. Then they'll pull these nets back to the shore, and they'll catch a lot of fish. It was a refreshing, mind refreshing scene. Before anybody could go there, we could also get into the water, enjoy the sea. But this place is now prohibited for normal people. Now only fishermen can go there and do their work because of some activities that had happened, like the major portion of this beach was devoured by the sea, so we can't predict what would happen. So can't really go all the way there. You can just see from here, but still, it's good enough to watch it from here. They're moving these boards with the help of pipes, and they push it towards the sea. I think it takes a lot of energy to do this, but they use tractors also. You can see there, these tractors move these boards up there. I think they help in both ways, and some people are doing it manually. See, one boat is returning. Maybe they've completed their fishing for the day. Seems like it's really challenging to launch these boats into the sea because these waves will take them back. You have to use a lot of strength to get past these tides. These waves are very strong. They really do struggle there, I can see. Sometimes they just come back to the place where they started and they have to start it all over. I don't know the details, but seems like it involves a lot of manpower and skill to maneuver through these waves into that place where it is calm. these tractors are moving, they're just working all the time. A lot of boats. And here you can come and buy fish, fresh fish, but I don't think you can just buy for 100 rupees or 200 rupees. Maybe you have to buy the wholesale deal, one basket of fish, but you'll get such a cheap rate and fresh fish. I am sure of that. There are some places like this in Kerala. Kollam beach is there. One of my friends go there to buy fresh fish. So I'm just walking around and seeing the whole place, and place is vast. A lot of activities are happening. And behind this is the market where people come to buy fish, sell fish, not sell fish. See this place? It's an old building, and on the right hand side is the market. It's just so nice to listen to this majestic sound of the ocean, the waves, and it gives such a nice feeling. I just want to be there and listen to it. But I guess if you stay somewhere here, you may get bored. Anything is like that, right? If we see it every day, we may lose that enthusiasm, pleasure towards it. But visiting these places once in a while, it's really thrilling. I'm really enjoying the moment. It just feels great to just walk on that sand, particularly if you just remove your shoes and walk. It's a nice feeling. Look at these people have caught some fish. Look at this next batch of people. They're really working hard to cross these waves. They're using all their effort. One person is standing in the middle and giving direction, and the next one is launching. Okay, look at that. One person pushed and left. These waves are really strong. You can't get past them easily. But once you cross that maybe 100 meters, it will become calm. You see, we can see, right? These people are really fit Otherwise, they can't do these works. Another boat, they must be fishing. They really go all the way, kilometers. The next boat is coming. Probably they have some fish with them. Yeah, they are. Yes. Oh. Hope they've got something. Maybe they go at night and they return and then, oh, they see these people. They could not cross. They have to do it again. Yeah. Actually, I couldn't believe when I saw this place. During my childhood days, I used to come here, and it was actually a beach, hundreds of meters inward. You could go and just sit there, relax. But the sea has devoured all these places. In fact, this road was gone a couple of years ago, and the government had to rebuild this road. So